AirPods Pro 3 connect to Android devices through Bluetooth, though some advanced iOS features are limited. First, ensure your Android device is running version 6.0 or later and has Bluetooth enabled. Open the AirPods Pro 3 case near your Android device. A pairing pop-up should appear on your screen. If no pairing pop-up appears, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Pair New Device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your AirPods Pro 3. Once connected, test basic functions. Play some audio and make a test call. Use touch controls. Double-tap the left earbud for active noise cancellation and the right for transparency mode. Note that Find My tracking requires an iOS device nearby. After initial setup, your AirPods Pro 3 will connect automatically to your Android device when they're in range. On Android, you can use active noise cancellation to reduce ambient noise. This feature blocks out background sounds effectively. Transparency mode lets in external sounds, which is useful for safety or conversations. Spatial audio is available, but without the personalized head tracking found on iOS. Battery status is shown in Android notifications after pairing. Gesture controls are customizable via Android's accessibility settings, but are more limited than on iOS. Limitations include no automatic device switching and no iCloud sync for settings. Recent updates improved compatibility with better latency reduction for gaming on devices with Bluetooth LE audio. Most Android users report successful pairing with good ANC performance. Some issues may include delayed pairing or ANC toggling. To resolve problems, make sure you have the latest firmware updates installed via iOS.